Let's quickly review some key features. Clicking on a risk pulls up details in the right pane. From there, you can edit. If you use different terms for your risk register, you can change the labels. If you want to remove, reorder, or add fields, you can. For example, some clients will add a drop-down field for strategic versus operational, or a trending direction field. You can easily accomplish this on your own. You can also view risk register change history down to the field level, and you can set up email alerts for these changes too. In the heat map, drag and drop risks to change scores. Then save to commit the changes to the register. This is really helpful if running a workshop. Use the history feature to take a point-in-time snapshot of your full risk map. Click on a prior snapshot and see the directional changes with blue arrow indicators. New items appear with a green plus. Removed items show with a red X. You can export the risk register to Excel. Within Excel, you can click Sync to retrieve your latest risk register data. That means you don't have to re-export and format each time. You'll probably use the Visualize Risk tool live for your presentations if screen sharing. If not, you can export the heat map to create a picture that fits very nicely on a 16:9 PowerPoint slide. There is a spot to summarize controls within the register, but you can also establish risk control initiatives and tie them to one or multiple risks. There is a page view where you can see all initiatives, including the owners, status, and due dates. You can even synchronize these with Outlook. As your risk register gets lengthier, you can keep your views manageable by setting parent-child relationships. Each risk has its own sub-risk heat map tab, as well as a related risks view. You can create separate heat maps and apply different filters. For example, you can create one for each risk category. There are dozens of ways to configure and personalize. You can even make a My Risk view where each user sees the risk they are responsible for. Maybe you'll want to use that view as your default landing page. If you're an Office 365 Power user, rest assured that you can leverage Microsoft automations and workflows. You can even use Power BI to create new visualizations of your risk register data. Also keep in mind that by using Microsoft for your risk tracking, one side benefit is you can use Power BI to develop KPIs that draw from other data sources and show this in the same risk tracking website. While these are outside the scope of our product, it highlights the power and convenience of Office 365 and is why we put our faith in the platform years ago.